Okay, this is a crash bar. It's a Chinese one. Cost approximately $45 delivered. It's a 1 1/4 inch. There's a bolt here and there's a bolt below here. Let me show you that for a second. It's right down here, over here. Okay, so this is the bolts that most Jap bikes use. They are an M10-1.25. This is a 30 millimeter. This is a little bit longer than the stock bolts that were on the bottom section down there, because there was nothing on the top. All there was plastic plugs hiding the threads in there. And the original 25 millimeter, here's the 25 millimeter bolts. This is what they look like. These are the ones that are stock. Is the stock bolt right here. So they're exactly the same size. So this is a 25 millimeter. This will work, the 25 millimeters on the top, the two washers. I couldn't find a 20 millimeter, so I'm just going to go with the 25s and two washers. I have two washers over here, and that should be fine, two on each side. And one thing I had to do was this right here, I had to bend it up. So what I did was I just basically took a pipe. This is about an inch. So the pipe that I used, I think it was like 1 1/4 inch. It was for a weight bar. It was like a collar, and it was about 2 feet, long. And I had to bend it up. See how it lines up now perfectly? But that's basically about it with this one. This is a Suzuki Boulevard, and I'll give you like a walk around on it. And then what I'll do is I will just make another video clip of it totally installed. See, that's the stock nut right down there. And another thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to change them all out with the new ones, because the new ones are nice and shiny. And this is what it's like on this side. I used longer bolts over here just to line it up to make sure everything was okay. So remember, the top ones are the ones that actually get bent. And you could either do that on the ground, lay it on the ground and bend it. I had to bend it approximately 1/4 inch. But I'm going to put everything together and let's see how it comes out. And I just want to see if what I was talking about, the spacing with the washers, especially on the top, is going to work out. Anyway, let's see how it works out. So I used the stock 25 millimeter for the top, but the new bolts. But you still have to use the spacers. I have two spacers behind it, and washers. And on the bottom, I actually made the bolts a little longer. Those are 30 millimeter below. And they worked out fine, tightened up a lot better, and that's basically about it. Oh, that's just some glue. Thought I scratched it. Alright, anyway, so this is what it looks like. That's the install. Flip side's going to be the same. Let's look at it. Thanks for watching.